Every successful Power BI project begins with solid data preparation. In this phase, you'll learn how to connect to a variety of data sources, including SQL databases, Excel spreadsheets, web data, and cloud platforms. Mastering Power Query is essential, as it allows you to clean your data by handling null values, changing data types, and removing outliers that could skew your analysis. You'll also discover how to transform your data by pivoting or unpivoting tables, merging datasets, and appending queries to create a unified foundation for your reports. These skills form the backbone of any effective Power BI solution, ensuring your data is accurate and ready for deeper analysis. Once your data is prepared, the next step is to model it for high performance and accurate reporting. This involves designing relationships, such as creating star schemas and managing one-to-many cardinality and filter directions. You'll also dive into DAX, the powerful formula language in Power BI, to create calculated measures and columns using functions like calculate, sumx, and time intelligence. Optimization is key here. Reducing your model size and improving calculation speed ensures your reports run smoothly, even with large datasets. By mastering data modeling, you lay the groundwork for insightful and reliable analytics. With your data model in place, it's time to bring your insights to life through visualization and analysis. Power BI offers a range of visuals, from decomposition trees to scatter plots, allowing you to present data in ways that resonate with decision makers. Interactivity is crucial. Features like slicers, bookmarks, and drill-through capabilities let users explore data from multiple angles. Advanced analytics, including AI-powered visuals and trend identification, help uncover deeper patterns and insights. This stage transforms raw numbers into compelling stories, making your reports both informative and engaging. Final step is deploying and maintaining your Power BI assets. Here, you'll learn to manage workspaces, apps, and content promotion within the Power BI service environment. Security is paramount. Implementing row-level security ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive data. Governance tasks such as scheduling data refreshes via gateways and certifying datasets keep your reports up to date and trustworthy. Remember, troubleshooting DAX and configuring RLS are common challenges for exam candidates, so focus your practice here. By mastering deployment and maintenance, you ensure your Power BI solutions are secure, scalable, and reliable.